Good morning. In this lecture video, I'm going to explain application of PN junction diode as rectifiers. So that means a diode application. The most important application of diode is a rectification. That means rectification is the process of conversion of sinusoidal AC waveform into single polarity of cycles. Single polarity of cycles. That means it allows only positive arm. So rectifier is an electrical device used for rectification. That means offer low resistance to current in one direction and offers high resistance to current in opposite direction. Again, rectifiers are classified into half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier means it allows only one half of the input cycle, and full wave rectifier it allows both the both positive half as well as negative half of the input waveform. So that means DC power supply. So used to convert sinusoidal AC waveform into DC by rectification and then filtering. So filtering is normally use a reservoir capacitor which charges to peak input voltage to produce a DC output. So that means it allows filters allows DC component only and blocks AC component. So capacitor partially discharges between the peaks of the rectified waveform, and this results into a ripple voltage at the output. And ripples can be reduced by using RC or LC filter. RC means resistor capacitor or LC means inductor capacitor filters. Okay. So filters is used to remove the AC component of rectified output and allows DC component. So specification of power supply is depends on DC output voltage required and load current and ripple voltages. So performance of power supply is defined in terms of output voltage stability. That means when the input voltage or load changes, how it obtains the stable output. So first we'll see half wave rectifier. So here this is one transformer, step down transformer we use, and a AC input that is 230 volt 50 Hz is applied to primary of the transformer, and secondary voltage is applied to the diode anode terminal, and to the cathode terminal, and then to the another end of the secondary we connect one load resistor. This is half wave rectifier. So input is applied to primary and secondary voltage is applied to anode of the diode, and across the negative terminal, I mean cathode of diode, and another end of the secondary we connect one load resistor. So output is considered across the RL. DC output is across the RL. This is positive, negative. That means, so this is the input waveform, AC input signal. This is positive half cycle and this is negative half cycle. Okay. So rectifier which conducts current or voltage only during the one half cycle of AC input is called as half wave rectifier. Half wave rectifier is a rectifier which conducts current or voltage only during the one half of the AC input. So this is the circuit which conducts in the positive half cycle. So if you reverse the polarity of the diode, it conducts during the only negative half cycle. Clear? So here single diode acts as a half wave rectifier. That means AC input supply to be rectified. This one, AC input supply to be rectified, is supplied through transformer to the diode and series load resistor RL. So input voltage VI is a sinusoidal wave. Okay, it can be expressed mathematically as VI is equal to Vm sin omega t or Vm sin theta. So Vm is the maximum voltage. So now let's analyze during the positive half cycle of input voltage VI. During the positive cycle, this terminal is of the secondary is positive and this is a negative. During the negative half cycle, this is negative and this is positive. So now observe, positive is applied to anode. So diode becomes on. Diode becomes on means it becomes a short circuit. So current allows current. Diode is forward biased and acts as a short circuit. Current flows through RL and V out output voltage. Vout follows Vi. So this is the direction of current flow. This is negative to positive. So this is DC output signal. I mean this AC input signal is allowed. Allowed. Okay. And here practically as I said, V not Vout is equal to Vi, but practically Vout is equal to Vi minus Vf. Vf is a forward resistance, voltage drop across the diode. Voltage drop across the diode. Yeah. So output voltage is equal to V now Vout is equal to Vm sin theta, and output current I is equal to Im sin theta. Since so we consider sinusoidal input. Sinusoidal input. And during the negative of cycle, see this is a negative, no? So diode becomes reverse bias. It means it acts as a open circuit. It acts as a open circuit. When it open circuit, there is no path to flow the current. So no current flows through RL, hence no output voltage. Okay. Practically very small negative voltage level, because when it is reverse bias, there is reverse saturation current. So V naught is equal to minus IR into RL. So output is equal to, actually theoretically we say output voltage is equal to 0 and output current is also equal to 0, but theoretically there is a small voltage, that is minus IR into RL. Okay. So maximum load current is Vm. Im is equal to Vm divided by Rf Rs plus RL. Here Rf is RL is load resistance, Rf is forward resistance of the diode, and Rs is secondary transformer winding resistance. Then this is the of rectifier. And let's see the waveform. This is the input waveform, this is time, and this is input voltage. Okay, and we write this is 0, pi, 2 pi, like this. Okay, periods. This is a maximum voltage. Let's see the waveform. Output current, this is output voltage. So this is the, see, during the positive half cycle diode is on, so there is a current flow, hence there is a voltage from 0 to pi. So pi to 2 pi negative, voltage is negative, I mean negative half cycle, diode is off, so no current, no voltage. Similarly from pi to 2 pi, sorry, the 2 pi to pi, voltage is positive, so diode is on, there exists a current flow and there exists a voltage. So similarly, in the observe the waveform, the negative half cycle. In the negative half cycle, diode is off, no current and no voltage. In the positive half cycle, diode is on, so there exists a current flow and voltage. So we consider this is maximum current Im and this is the maximum voltage Vm. So we obtain DC is something around like this value. So we will derive the expression for DC, IDC, as well as we consider this voltage level as VDC. Okay. Now we'll see full wave rectifier. As we observed in half wave rectifier, it conducts only during the one half of the cycle. So in full wave rectifier, it conducts both half cycle. Rectifier which conducts during both positive and negative half cycle of AC input is called full wave rectifier. That means current flows through the load for entire cycle of input from 0 to 2 pi. Again, it is classified into two types. One is center tapped full wave rectifier, and another one is bridge rectifier. Bridge rectifier. Okay. Now we will see center tapped full wave rectifier. Again, input is applied to transformer primary, and we use two diodes, D1 and D2. Okay. So to the anode of D1, one end of the second is connected to the, that is, we'll say the terminal A. It can be positive or negative. Positive during the positive cycle, negative during the negative cycle. And another end of the secondary transformer is connected to anode of second diode D2. Again, let's say this terminal is B. It is negative or positive. That means when A is positive, B is negative. When A is negative, B is positive. And this point is called as center tap. This point is called as center tap. Okay. the load resistor is connected across the center tap. So this is the circuit diagram, and output is considered across the load resistor. This is the full wave rectifier, center tap to full wave rectifier. So this is AC input signal. So it consists of diode D1 and D2 connected across the center tap of the secondary and load resistor. So yeah, input voltage is supplied from the transformer with the center tap to secondary winding. So it is equivalent to combination of two half-wave rectifier. Means the first half of the circuit becomes one half-wave rectifier, and second half of the circuit becomes another half-wave rectifier. So each supplied from one half of the secondary transformer. Clear? So it consists of two uh, half-wave rectifiers. Fine. So now we'll analyze during the positive half cycle. So during the positive half cycle, as you know, terminal A is positive, so that is connected to anode, so D1 is on, and terminal B is negative, that is connected to anode of D2, so it becomes off. So that means terminal A is positive, B is negative, so it makes D1 forward biased, hence conducts, and D2 reverse biased, will not conduct. So this is the direction of current flow during positive half cycle through diode D1. So hence it allows positive half cycle. This is the corresponding DC output signal. That means diode D1 supplies the load current. Load current is IL is equal to ID1, current through D1. And during the negative half cycle, terminal A is negative and B is positive. It makes diode D1 reverse biased and D2 forward biased. So this is the direction of current flow during the negative half cycle, and so hence it allows negative half cycle also, but voltage is reversed because see observe it supplies current through D2, so IL is equal to ID2, so output voltage is equal to VI minus VF. Okay, so where VF is the forward voltage drop across the diode. Okay, see observe, this is the path of positive half cycle current, and this is the path of negative half cycle. See, observe the direction is same, hence we have positive in both half cycles. We have positive in both the half cycles. Is it clear now? This is about center tapped full wave rectifier, and this is the corresponding waveform. Okay, as we observed in the half wave rectifier na? So during the positive half cycle D1 on, so hence there exists a voltage, and during the negative half cycle D2 on, so still voltage exists. Okay, so both half cycle it has a voltage and current. So this is the corresponding waveform of full wave rectifier. Okay, this is maximum current and DC current, average current, maximum voltage and average voltage. Okay, so this is about full wave center tap to full wave rectifier. I'll continue in the next video. Thank you.